guys, welcome to Rockford Ordnance. We got our SAM7 pistol in order, got our CNC brace on it, and we've got our Bulgarian flash hider on it, and it was time to take it out to the range. So we took it out just for a little fun today. I will tell you this, the thing was a ton of fun to shoot. Now, we had just gotten done shooting a Grand video, and I don't know if it was because of the Grand or not, but when I shot this thing, it felt so soft. Now, the Grand by no means is any, super kicker. With the semi-automatic action, it's actually a very smooth shooter, but this thing felt so good. I don't know if it was the stock or what, but just so handy with this brace. Really enjoyed it. Take a look here. You can check out some of our shooting. So it's getting close to dusk here. It's pretty dim out here. Maybe we can see how well this thing actually works, huh? Let's see if the one thing when it's folded, it's a little hard to reach the trigger, and obviously a safety on this side, but we've got our safety here. It's also hard to charge it. You hit your finger on the brace there, so it's a little awkward. But let's take a few shots here and see what we can do. Seems really soft shooting. I don't know if it's just because we got done shooting our Grand or what, but it really seems to shoot soft. So it's hard to tell in the video here. It looks nice and bright because I've got this wonderful light on me that I'm using even now, but I use it outside there too. When we're at the range there on these cloudy days, and especially under some of the covers at the benches, it's really dark and you can't see anything. So I've been using this light even outside. If you look at the one, it almost looks like I'm standing in front of a green screen or something because it's lighting me up and not the background. But when we switch to this front view that you're gonna see here in a minute, with it being, we had the light on, but it's much darker than it appears. The snow makes the video look bright, but it was darn near dusk, getting really, really dark out. And I thought it was a perfect time to check out this flash hider again and check it out, see what you think. This thing just feels great. So I found that this thing shoots pretty good, 25, 50 yards. We hadn't really sighted it in out to 100 yet, and I was shooting at some steel plates out there, hitting a few, but with the snow, I really couldn't tell where I was hitting. It was getting close to dark, and I thought we'd have some fun with the steel plate. Haven't really done much sighting in with this thing, but let's see if we can at least ring some steel out there. I don't know, we'll see. Switch our sights up here. Fun little gun. Loving it. So, as you saw there, this thing is complete blackness, right? There was nothing. I mean nothing. This thing holds all the flashback remarkably well. We were shooting Golden Tiger 124 grain, usual stuff, same as Red Army Standard, and it just worked magnificent. I think next time we go out, we're gonna sight this thing in at 100 and see if we can't get some solid hits out there. I played with the sights a little bit last time, and it's on up close, but I know I can get 100 yards out of this gun because I've gotten it out of my Mini Draco. If I can do it out of the Mini Draco, I can do it out of this, no problem. So look forward to that, and watch for our Garand video coming up. That's going to be neat. We took that out and sighted it in, so that'll be coming here maybe tomorrow or next couple days, whatever. But yeah, it was just a fun day at the range, quick impromptu thing. We ran out and did a little shooting. So it's always good to get out to the range whenever you can. Make sure you make time for it, guys. Get out there, use your stuff, sight it in, make sure it's ready. You'll be amazed even when you get to the range and find out stuff that you don't notice at home or even at a quick indoor trip or something like that. Get out there and use it. Anyhow, please like and subscribe. Check out our Patreon page. It's patreon.com/Rockford Ordnance. Remember, ordnance and ordnance are two different things. Rockford Ordnance is ORDNANCE. The other one is like a city ordinance, walking your dog and it takes a dump, right? And you don't clean it up. Anyhow, check it out. If you feel like helping us out, that'd be great. If not, just subscribe and keep enjoying. We love making these videos for you, and we look forward to everyone. So, as always, Rockford Ordnance out.